Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, my name is Mike. This is my 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, and today I want to talk about again the Type S tire marker pins. I was not happy with the way it looked. I would not recommend these ever, so we'll just throw that away. And I wanted to show you kind of the aftermath of what it left. I used acetone to attempt to get it off, and as you can see, it is still pretty prevalent that it's on there. So I'm gonna try again today with the acetone to try and get it off, but the ultimate goal is to cover it up. I did order tire stickers, and that is going to be what we're going to do today. I got everything I need. I got the tire stickers. It came with the glue, the gloves to protect your hands. You will need acetone and a rag to wipe off your tires to get all the residue and the oils and stuff out of the rubber from when they were made, and all the grime you picked up on the road. So we're going to do that today. Hopefully it'll look a lot nicer than that paint pen. Like I said, I just was not happy with it. So we are going to try this again, and hopefully it'll look a little better. What's up guys? If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and that's how much they share my video. They'll help the channel grow. If you guys help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. And now we'll get right back to getting them tire stickers on. So like I said, I ordered these tire stickers from formulatireco.com, and this is a look at their website. From on here, you can actually order the tires that come with all this stuff already on from the factory, and I definitely think that would be the way to go in the future. But if you're just looking for tire stickers, this is the way to go. So like I said, I got them from this website. I'm all in $79.99. That was with shipping right to my door, and it only took about 3 days. So if you're looking for tire stickers, this is definitely the place to go. We're going to get them installed. I'm not so much going to do a how-to. Really, the only thing you do, you use the acetone to clean up the tires. Like I said, you get all the residue off. So I'm just going to time-lapse this. I don't want to bore you guys with the, with the install. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. So I'm going to set the camera up, do a time-lapse, and then after we get done, we'll do a walk around so you can see exactly what it looks like, to see if this is something that you would be interested in. I'm pretty excited about this. I have not seen anybody in my area with these on, so I'm pretty excited. The only thing that I am kind of worried about is, with never seeing them in person, I'm kind of worried about just exactly what they're going to look like, because obviously when they're on your tires, they have a little ridge on them, so you're going to be able to see that it is just glued on there. So I am a little apprehensive about that, but it is what it is. We'll see what it looks like. I'm sure it's going to look good, so we'll get it done. Like I said, for $80. This should be a pretty good modification you can do to your car and really make it stand out from the crowd. So like I said, I'm going to set this up, do a time lapse, and then after we get done, we'll do a walk around and see exactly what it looks like. Guys, we finally got it done. It took a lot longer than I had anticipated doing this. Using the acetone and the rag, it did take quite a bit of time to get all the oil and grease and stuff off of the tires. But I mean, that is the essential thing that you got to do, because otherwise that's going to not allow that adhesive to bond, and you're going to have issues with it later on. But it is done, so let's go ahead and reveal what it looks like. So this is what it ended up with. There are a few areas where I got adhesive on the lettering, but overall I am much happier with this than I was with those paint pens. Now this did take a couple hours to get done. And like I said, I got a few issues where I got adhesive on it, and then I still have a little spot here I'm gonna have to do again to get that to stay down. You know, with these tires being low profile, there is quite a bit of a curve on these, and trying to keep those letters down on the edges was kind of a pain. So if you're going to do this, don't think that you're going to get this done in an hour, because it is definitely going to take you longer to do that than what I thought. So like I said, I was at this a couple hours, and then trying to rush a little bit because it looks like it's going to rain. But for $80, this is definitely the way to go. It definitely changes the look of the car, as you can tell. I mean, it totally changes the profile of the car, and I like it. So the car's finally starting to come around. I think probably the next thing I might do, I gotta get those windows tinted. It is driving me nuts. And with the summer coming along, with having the red interior, I'm afraid that if I don't get it done, that is gonna fade the interior of my car. So that will definitely probably be the next thing that I do. So would I recommend doing the tire stickers? Yes. If you're going to do it, like I said, allow more time than what you think it's going to take, because it is going to take you a little bit. I would not suggest those paint pens. Like I said before, it was junk. It made a mess. Definitely wasn't happy. I mean, unless you're just a lot better with that stuff than I am, I would not recommend. It was terrible, terrible. So, but the car's coming around. The only thing is, at the end, it does say to not drive the vehicle for a minimum of 4 hours, but they do recommend waiting 24 hours. But they say after 4 you should be fine. But so the only thing I'm going to do is put this thing back in the garage and be done with it. So if you like what you see, please give me a subscribe, a like. I will put a link to their website, formulatireco.com. I will put a link down in the description below. I have started a Instagram page also. There's a Facebook page. Follow me along there. I'll try and do sneak peeks of stuff before I make the videos. So like I said, give me a subscribe, a like, comment below down if you would do this on your vehicle or not, and if so, share the pictures of it. And until next time, you guys have a good day.